This is Best from Best Review Warriors. Hello and welcome to my InstaJackpot review. In this video, I'll be walking you through this new product called InstaJackpot. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell notification and like this video. But before I do this, let me share with you some of the bonuses you get if you buy InstaJackpot through my page. They are Explosivo, Instagram Marketing Secret, Fuego Outbreak, Urgency Suit Pro, Instagram Marketing Made Simple, ClickBank Passive Income, Build Your Tribe, 5 ways to generate free traffic, The Awakening, Snowball Traffic, How to build a landing page, The Secret Weapon, and several other bonuses here that you will get if you pick this InstaJackpot through my link. So what is this InstaJackpot all about? It is a step-by-step video training program that shows you 5 unique ways to make money online using Instagram, even without an Instagram following. It is completely newbie friendly. Therefore, the product creator takes you through the very rudiments of setting up your accounts properly. Also, you learn how to set up your profile right for optimization. Thereafter, the product creator, Cynthia, will take you through a series of 5 videos that each video show you exactly how you can make money with Instagram without any following. For instance, one of the methods covered is how to flip Instagram accounts and make very decent profits. If you stay with me, I will show you the members area and cover in greater detail the 5 steps that Cynthia covered in this InstaJackpot training program. However, the methods taught in the InstaJackpot are not a get-rich-quick scheme, and the product creator asserts that for these methods to work for you, you will need to do a lot of work. Let us head over to the members area. So when you sign up to the InstaJackpot, this is what the members area will look like. Here you have the module 1, which is the welcome. Here Cynthia will welcome you into the members area proper. Then you have the module 2, which is an overview of the product. Then in the module 3, as I said, this training is completely newbie friendly. So zero knowledge is assumed by the product creator as she takes you through the right way to set up your account so that you can benefit from the traffic that Instagram has to offer. Then in the module 4, again takes you through how to set up your profile. She gives you detailed step-by-step how to set up your profile for proper optimization. In the module 5, here she breaks down the 5 unique methods that you will deploy to make money using Instagram. The module 5 is the helper method. If you want to know exactly what the helper method is all about, you need to get this product. The module 6 is the flipper. From the way the name sounds, the flipper gives you an impression of buying and reselling. But if you want to get even more detail about this, then you will need to pick up this product. Then the module 7 is the renter. Here she talks about making money by renting, by being a renter of Instagram account. Then in module 8, Cynthia talks about how to use Instagram for affiliate marketing. Here she talks about how to use the landing pages to collect leads, and this is why, as part of the bonuses I'm offering you, we will show you how to build a landing page, because this method will work more effectively if you have your landing page. And as a newbie, for instance, you may find it challenging creating a landing page. So that is why we have offered you this bonus which will show you detailed step by step how to build a landing page. And the other bonuses we are offering you, which is Explosivo. Explosivo gives you in greater details how you can set up your Instagram account for lead and profit maximization. We also have the Instagram marketing secrets. So let us go back to the members area. As I said earlier, in the module 8, Cynthia will be walking you through how to use Instagram for affiliate marketing and make money out of it. Then in the module 9, you have the consultant. So how do you use the consultant method to make money on Instagram? Again, I want you to pick up this product to see how Cynthia rolls it out for you to make money on Instagram as using the consultant method. Then the module 10, which is the final module, is the conclusion, where Cynthia summarizes the 5 unique methods that she had earlier covered in previous videos. So, if you think this product is for you, simply click on the link in the description below and it will take you to our bonus page that will look exactly like this. Once you scroll down and you click on this red button, then it will take you to the sales page of the instant jackpot that will look exactly like this. You scroll down and click on this button and you have the access to buy this product. So now let us do a brief review of what you find on the sales page. It says it's an instant jackpot. Discover 5 unique ways to make money with Instagram without followers. And I tell you for a fact that is true, because I have gone through the training programs and they are quite unique in their own ways, although very basic methods with zero experience assumed by the product creator in making this video. So you will find it extremely useful if you are a complete newbie. But not to worry, if you are experienced and you feel this product may not meet your needs, I have offered you some bonuses like the Explosivo that will help you with advanced strategies of making money using Instagram. So here it says 100% newbie friendly, which is exactly so. Then it also comes with a 30 days money back guarantee, meaning if for any reason you do not find this product useful, you can simply ask for your money to be returned, and that is if you do that within 30 days of buying this product. But I tell you, you will find no reason to ask for a refund, given the value you get here for just $7.95. So here is the product creator, Cynthia, telling you how she has been making money on Instagram without followers. These are proof of her earnings using the same method that she's showing us now. These are proof of her earnings. Now it says these methods, you do not need Instagram growth, you do not need Instagram marketing, and you do not need hashtag research, which again is true, because the methods that she had outlined did not need any of this. But I can tell you, if you have a better following, you certainly will do far more than you will do with somebody without Instagram following. But not to worry, in one of my bonuses also, you will learn how to grow your Instagram followers fast. So it says the product, choose a method, follow step-by-step training, and then you make money, which is true. But like I said earlier, you need to do the work to begin to earn money. It is definitely not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it's not one that you simply push a button and you begin to see money. So let me also tell you why you should get this InstaJackpot. Firstly, the training is beginner friendly, and it assumes potential subscribers have zero knowledge about Instagram marketing. Therefore, the information provided are very basic and easy to implement. Secondly, no need to grow your Instagram following or get yourself involved in complicated Instagram marketing processes and hashtag research to make money using the processes taught in this training. However, you will need to do much more than you will learn from this training, and although it is a good starting point. Then another reason why you should pick this product is Instagram has over 1 billion users, and of this number, over 63% of these users log into the app daily. Hence, it is a huge source of potential leads and buyers. Thirdly, the product creator offers you 4 bonuses, and these bonuses you will find in the members area. If you stay with me a bit, I will show you the bonuses right there in the members area. Then fourthly, you can easily use the Instagram platform to build a responsive email list and create streams of passive income. The product creator also shows you exactly how you can do that. Then finally, as we have said earlier, the InstaJackpot comes with a 30 days money back guarantee. In other words, if for any reason you do not like the product, once you return it within 30 days, you will get your money back. Now we are right here in the members area. Now these are the bonuses that you get from the vendor if you pick up this InstaJackpot. I tell you, for $7.95, this training together with the bonuses from the vendor and mine are a complete no-brainer. So now let me take you through the sales funnel. The front end, which is essentially everything I have showed you, that is the 5 unique ways of making money on Instagram without followers, will be going for $7.95. It is not clear if the price will be going up or not, but the early bird price is $7.95. Then you have the OTO1, which is the Instagram growth strategy. Here, Cynthia, the product creator, will teach you basic and advanced strategies on how to grow your account faster and also make your Instagram posts to go viral. So, if you think this resonates with you, you may want to pick up the OTO1 in addition to the front end. Then the OTO2, which is the InstaJackpot Rolodex, goes for $37. Here, the product creator will give you all her premium resources and contacts so that you do not need to do any research. At the same time, you make a lot of money and faster too. Now remember, I told you that given what is available on the front end, it is quite basic, and if you want to make some significant amount of money, you will need more advanced training. So to cover for this, that is why this OTO2 is being offered. Again, it is completely up to you whether you want to pick this OTO2, though the bonus I'll be offering you gives you more advanced strategies on how to use Instagram to get even more leads and possible buyers. Then the OTO3, which is the reseller rights. Here you sell the product as your own and keep 100% commission across the entire funnel. Again, I also want to mention there are also other softwares that you can use if you want to automate and scale up the entire process. You will find one of such software is called Classic Traffic Pro, and we have done a review video on it. You may want to check it out if it is something you want to get. So, if you think this product is for you, simply click on the link in the description below and it will take you to a bonus page that will look exactly like this. Scroll down, click on this red button and it will take you to the InstaJackpot sales page that will look exactly like this. Once you scroll down and you click on this Get Instant Access Now button, then you get the opportunity to buy this product and claim the vendor's bonuses and also all the bonuses we have put up for you. If you have found this video useful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell notification and like this video so that when next we upload review videos as this, your attention will be drawn to it. Thank you for watching our instant jackpot review video to the end. See you in the next.